Lace fans! Welcome back to another edition of Hijab Friday. Today we're sharing a look that will highlight your elegance while feeding your desire for all-day comfort. And the best part about this look is how great of coverage you'll get through only a few simple steps. The shawl we're using is our Zena Chiffon Rectangle Shawl in the color Orchid, and it might be the easiest shawl you've ever worked with. The fabric is designed to stay in place all day long while being ultra lightweight and ultra comfortable. We've decided to pair this look with our Layer to Love blouse in purple and Sweet Spirit skirt also in purple. Thanks to the wide variety of pieces available on Sawlace.com, we've been able to put together this gorgeous and flowing ensemble that you have to try for yourself. Alright, so grab your scarf along with one brooch and 3 pins and we'll get started. Start by placing the shawl over you, making one side shorter than the other. Line the edges neatly around your face and join the 2 sides together at the back of your neck with a brooch. Bring all of the fabric to your front and lift the shorter side up and above your face where you can drape it over you. Then, as we did before, neatly line the edges around your face and secure both sides near each of your ears. Take the long hanging piece now and wrap it up and around your head. Use a pin to secure it to the side of your head as you wrap it around you. Last hanging piece up onto your shoulder. Simply tidy up the shawl as desired. And you're done! In just a few simple steps, we've created a beautiful look that is flattering for all, while still giving you great coverage along the way. We hope you enjoyed this look and would love to see you recreate it for yourself. Make sure to share this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next week for another edition of Hijab Friday.